Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start Unit 3. The first poem is Tartary. 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 So, what is the meaning of here the word Tartary? So the poet says that if he were the lord of imaginary kingdom, so the poet is imagine his kingdom, and he is the lord of that kingdom. That is the Tartary. Okay. The poet, he assuming that he is the lord of that imaginary kingdom. That is the Tartary. If I were lord of Tartary, myself and me alone. If I were the lord of the Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory. So मेरा bed कैसे होगा? My bed should be of ivory. Of beaten gold of my throne. And in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers horn. See, in imagination, he'll imagine the things that the bed of whatever the bed of that lord, it is made up of golden thrones, made up of ivory, and in his court the peacock flaunts peacock flaunt his feathers. Okay, in his forest the tiger's horn, and in my pools great fishes land. In my pool great fishes land. Their fins athwart the sun. Fishes को fins होते हैं ना, छोटे छोटे fins होते हैं, fins. So that fins athwart the suns. If I were lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every mill would summon me, and in my courtyard bray, and in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin. So you know the harp, flute, mandolin, these are the musical instruments. Okay, mandolin, then harp and flute. These are the musical instruments. So he's imagining. So what should be there in his court if he were the lord of Tartary? Made music sweet and gay. If I were lord of Tartary, I wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green. They be and cluster thick as seeds, and in should warn the morning star. And I had done my robe and scimitar, and zebra 7 should draw my car. Through Tartary's dark glades, lord of the fruits of Tartary, her river's silver pell, lord of the hills of Tartary, gleam thicket, wood and dell. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trimbing lake, and like foamless seas, her bird delighting citron trees in every purple well. See, whatever he is having, his court is having, he is experiencing the things. In imagination, he is saying, my pool is having the fishes. Then my bed is made up of golden thorns. Okay, and in my court, peacock should flaunt. Trumpeters every day. The trumpeters visits me every day. To every mill would summon me, and in my courtyard bray. And in the evening lamps would shine, while harp and flute and mandolin. So there is a what we can say sweet music. Okay. If I were the lord of Tartary, I wear a robe of beads. Beads, छोटे छोटे मोती होते हैं ना, robe of beads, white and gold and green. The color should be white, gold, green. Clusters thick as seeds. So it is like a clusters of seeds. Okay, and he's saying that further ahead, he's saying the poet says that the Lord of Tartary would treated very royally. So he would, everyone should treat him royally, like a king. With trumpeters calling him for every meal, shining lamp displaying yellow and red colors, musicians would entertain him by playing exotic musical instruments such as harp, flute, mandolin. He wishes to wear a robe of beads made up of white, gold, and green color. Before the morning starts, when he would wear his robe with a sword in his hand, sword talwar in his hand. Go around the valley in a carriage drawn by 7 zebras. So 7 zebras should draw his carriage. As the Lord of Tartary, he would own all the juicy fruits, citrus food, citrus food, sweet lime, and oranges. Okay, of the silver pale rivers, hills full of bushes and trees. In the night, he would enjoy the beauty of shining stars. In the night, he would enjoy the beauty of shining stars and the sweet fragrances of the breeze. The purple valley with citron trees that delight the birds would add the beauty of his Tartary. Okay? So, this is he's imagining how should be his Tartary. Now, the poet Walter de la Mare paints a vivid picture of imaginary kingdom. So this is the vivid picture. Vivid means very big. Vivid picture of the imaginary kingdom. Walter de la Mare. He wrote this poem. Walter de la Mare. So Tartary and takes us a journey of the Lord of Mighty Kingdom. He takes us to on a journey as the Lord of the Mighty Kingdom. Okay. So this is the imaginary kingdom by the way. Tartary means an imaginary land. इमेजिनरी लैंड, ऐसी कोई एक जगह जिसको हम इमेजिन करते हैं, दैट इज द Tartary, imaginary land. Ivory means what? Tusk, teeth of an elephant, which is hard and creamy white in color. Ivory means elephant की दांत जैसे. Okay. Beaten gold means gold hammered into flat thin shape. Means धागे ऐसे gold. Okay. Beaten gold means gold hammered into the flat thin shape. Throne, chair for a king or king, metal strings, that is the throne. Flaunt means showing very proudly. So peacock flaunts his feather very proudly. Okay, that is the flaunt. Haunt means come very frequently. Okay, HAUNT. Haunt means come very frequently. Slant means tilt at an angle which is not straight, move at an angle, just moves at an angle. Summon means call. Summon, call. To every meal would summon me. Bray, make a loud harsh cry. Make a loud harsh cry. Harp is a musical instrument with the strings, जिसको string होते हैं, HARP, harp. Mandolin, harp, flute, you know, these are the musical instruments. So mandolin को भी string होते हैं. This is also a musical instrument with a string. Gay means very happy, light-hearted. Gay, G-A-Y, gay. ROB, robe. Robe means a loose garment reaching the ankles. Reaching the ankles. Cluster. Cluster means what? Similar things grouped together and placed very closely. That is the cluster. Bunch. We can say cluster, bunch. Cluster. Ear means ER is before, olden times, before, पहले, ear. Van, W-A-N, van means disappear. Okay, van means disappear. Don, don means put on clothing. D-O-N, don means put on clothing. Scimitar is short sword with a curved blade. S-C-I-M-I-T. Scimitar. Scimitar means very short sword. छोटी सी ऐसी तलवार होती है with curved blade. उसका blade curved होता है. Glades, open spaces in a forest. Glen, a narrow valley. Thicket, a dense group of bushes or trees. That is the thicket. Dell means a valley. Dell means a valley. Flashing means shine with bright irregular light. That is the flashing. Shine with bright irregular light. And VALE, well means a valley. Well means what? A valley. Valley. Okay. So this is a Tartary. Tartary. Okay. Now you have to recite this poem. See the picture. What is the poet imagining in this poem, Tartary? See, the tiger is there. Okay. And again, bed is there. His bed is there. This is the bed. Then mandolin, trumpet, these musical instruments are there. See this. Okay. Everything is mentioned. Whatever he is imagining about his Tartary. So once again, I'll recite the poem, and remember you have to recite the poem with proper intonation, proper pronunciation. Okay. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant, their fins athwart the sun. If I were Lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me, and in my courtyard breathe. And in the evening, lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. If I were Lord of Tartary, I wear a robe of birds, white and gold and green they had been, and clustered thick as seed, and it should warn the morning star. I had done my robe and scimitar, and zebra 7 should draw my car. Through Tartary's dark glades, Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her river silver pell. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood and dell. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless seas. Her bird delighting citron trees in every purple bell. In every purple bell. So this is the poem written Tartary by Walter de la Mare. You have to recite this poem. Understood? So your homework is recite the poem. Okay. Tomorrow we'll write the hard words and question answers of this poem. Okay. Bye.